Water retention. Water retention takes place whilst extra fluids build up internal your body. It is likewise referred to as fluid retention or edema. Water retention takes place inside the circulatory device or inside tissues and cavities. It can reason swelling inside the hands, toes, ankles, and legs. There are numerous motives why it happens, a lot of which aren't serious. Some women experience water retention during pregnancy or before their monthly period. People who are bodily inactive, such as when bedridden or sitting through lengthy flights, can also be affected. However, water retention also can be a symptom of intense clinical circumstances like kidney sickness or coronary heart failure. If you're experiencing unexpected or intense water retention, search for clinical interest immediately. Yet, in cases where the swelling is mild and there is no underlying health condition, you will be capable of lessening water retention with some easy tricks. Here are 6 methods to lessen water retention. 1. Eat less salt. Salt is made from sodium and chloride. Sodium binds to water in the body and helps maintain the balance of fluids both inside and outside of cells. If you frequently consume food that might be excessive in salt, which includes many processed ingredients, your body may also hold water. In fact, those ingredients are the largest nutritional supply of sodium. The most common advice for reducing water retention is to decrease sodium intake. However, the evidence behind this is mixed. Several studies have found that increased sodium intake leads to increased retention of fluid inside the body. On the other hand, one study in healthy men did not find the same effect, so results may depend on the individual. 2. Increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium is a very important mineral. In fact, it is involved in more than 300 enzymatic reactions that keep the body functioning. Moreover, growing your magnesium consumption may also assist lessen water retention. One study discovered that 200 mg of magnesium in line with day decreased water retention in girls with premenstrual symptoms, PMS. Other research in girls with PMS has stated comparable consequences. Good sources of magnesium include nuts, whole grains, dark chocolate, and leafy, green vegetables. It's also available as a supplement. You can find magnesium supplements at your local drugstore or online. 3. Increase vitamin B6 intake. Vitamin B6 is a set of numerous associated vitamins. They are important for the formation of red blood cells and serve many other functions in the body. Vitamin B6 has been proven to lessen water retention in girls with premenstrual syndrome. Foods rich in vitamin B6 include bananas, potatoes, walnuts, and meat. You also can buy Nutrition B6 dietary supplements at your neighborhood drugstore or online. 4. Eat more potassium-rich foods. Potassium is a mineral that serves several important functions. For example, it facilitates sending the electric indicators that maintain the body running. It may additionally advantage coronary heart fitness. Potassium appears to help reduce water retention in 2 ways, by decreasing sodium levels and increasing urine production. Bananas, avocados, and tomatoes are examples of ingredients that might be excessive in potassium. 5. Try taking dandelion. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, is an herb that has been used as a herbal diuretic in people's remedies for a protracted time. Natural diuretics may also assist lessen water retention via way of means of making you pee extra frequently. In one study, 17 volunteers took 3 doses of dandelion leaf extract over 24 hours. They monitored their fluid intake and output during the following days and reported a significant increase in the amount of urine produced. Though this was a small study with no control group, the results indicate that dandelion extract may be an effective diuretic. What's extra? Research recommends that dandelion may also have many different potential benefits. Find dandelion extract online. 6. Avoid refined carbs. Eating delicate carbs ends in speedy spikes in blood sugar and insulin tears. High insulin tears reason your body to hold extra sodium via way of growing the reabsorption of sodium within the kidneys. This leads to the more fluid volume inside your body. Examples of delicate carbs consist of processed sugars and grains, which include table sugar and white flour. Other ways to reduce water retention. Reducing water retention is something that hasn't been studied much. However, there are some different doubtlessly powerful methods to lessen water retention. Keep in mind that some of these are only supported by anecdotal evidence, not studies. Move around. Simply walking and moving around a bit can be effective in reducing fluid buildup in some areas, such as the lower limbs. Elevating your feet can also help. Drink more water. Some believe that increasing water intake can paradoxically reduce water retention. Horsetail. One study discovered that the horsetail herb has diuretic effects. Parsley. This herb has a reputation as a diuretic in folk medicine. Hibiscus. Roselle, a species of hibiscus, has been used in folk medicine as a diuretic. A recent study also supports this. Garlic. Well, known for its effect on the common cold, garlic has historically been used as a diuretic. Fennel. This plant may additionally have diuretic effects. Corn silk. This herb is historically used for the remedy of water retention in a few parts of the world. Nettle. This is another folk remedy used to reduce water retention. Cranberry juice. It has been claimed that cranberry juice could have diuretic effects. The bottom line. Some easy nutritional adjustments may also assist lessen water retention. For starters, you may attempt ingesting much less salt, for instance via way of means of cutting lower back on processed foods. You also can devour ingredients that might be wealthy in magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. Taking a few dandelions or heading off delicate carbs may additionally do the trick. However, if water retention persists or reasons several troubles in your life, then you can need to peer a doctor.